Hey everyone, it's Natalie here, and today I'm going to be showing you my evening routine where I prep dinner for my 5 kids. And today I'm making rice and lima beans and string beans and chicken. I already did the chicken already. I prepped it, I cleaned it, I prepped it, I seasoned it. I put it in the fridge for like about half an hour so the seasoning can kind of marinate in it, and then I boiled it on the stove for a little bit with the seasoning, and I put some water in it as well and let it boil for a little bit. And let me show you how it looks right now. This is it right now. And I'm gonna put that in the string beans. So right now, I did a different angle for you guys. So right now I'm gonna show you, well, I'm gonna do the rice right now. And then when the rice is cooking, I'm going to make the string beans and put it with the chicken. Let me put a little bit more. I'm gonna put the string beans in here. Actually, yeah, let me do the rice first. So, got my piece right here. I love putting that in basically everything. If you haven't tried making this, you gotta do it. Gotta try it. It's good. Let it fry a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some coconut milk. It wasn't a canned coconut milk. I put the rest in this. Don't let the piece burn. When I cook a little, I'm not gonna put too much of this. Now the beans. Just got the frozen one from ShopRite. I love these beans. I think that's enough. Some of the kids don't like too much beans in their rice, so. And I need the pepper. Is it right here? Just putting one of these in there. Let me use this actually. It's fine. The chicken was on there. Let that cook for a little bit. Add some Maggi cube. Let that marinate for a little bit. I'm gonna cover it up. Let me get the top. Is this the top to it? Nope, that's for the small one. Found it. I'll cook for a little bit, and while that is marinating for a little bit, let me start on the green beans. Hope you guys can see that. All right. Actually, I forgot to put some of this in the rice, but it's okay. Save that for another time. Let me hold on. I bought some fresh green beans from ShopRite. These were actually cheaper than the bagged ones and the frozen ones. This was $1.95. This is a pound, and it's a lot. Gotta wash it first, rinse it out. Hold on. This is on. I'm gonna let some of the chicken, we'll let the oil warm up and then put some of the chicken in there. So, smells good. Let me rinse out the string beans. I'll use all of them. I'll rinse it out. This is why I like to put it just in one place, so I don't keep moving the camera. I think I'll probably leave it right here actually for now. Okay. Let me put some thyme in it and some peppers. Peppers are on the table. I'm doing everything at one time, all at once. This is for the string beans. This is done. Okay. Whoop. Okay. I'm gonna cover for it. Okay. What in the world? All right. Peppers. Cover that for a little bit. Then I'm gonna put water and butter in it. While that is trying to pop in my face, I'm gonna put some chicken in it. Okay. Yes, I'm using both spoons, but it's okay. I mean, the spoon for both. It's not even on high. Okay. Let that cook for a little. This goes here. Let me cut the ends of the let me put this over here. The green beans. Sure, let me snap them. Or I'll just do it like this. Let me add the water and the butter. Okay, let me use, yeah. Okay. And let me add the water. I don't have any more Maggi. Let me put half. Since I don't have any more Maggi, I know I should have got it when I went to the store the other day. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this one instead since I don't have any more of the Maggi. I think that's enough. I'm gonna let that boil for a little bit. When it boils, I'm gonna taste it and put the rice in there. This chicken is so good. Oh my gosh, I think it's better than the other one that I made the other day. Gotta make sure you marinate that chicken, man. Let it sit. Even if you let it sit for a couple of hours, half an hour, it makes a big difference. A big difference. Just thinking about when my grandma used to, oh my gosh, what's up with these old people these days? When they used to get the fresh beans and peas, and they made me snap them, open them, and take the beans out. That's crazy. But the food was always good. I'll tell you that. And what do I need? I'm gonna actually put onions and carrots in there while I'm doing that. Not too much carrots. Let me rinse it off. I think that's enough. Maybe a little bit more. I was gonna put potatoes in it, but I don't want to. I was gonna put potatoes and then I was thinking of boiling it, but I'm just gonna do this for the kids. Just the rice and the beans. I don't want to put all the chicken in here. I'm gonna use it for another recipe. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the ones that I did already. I'm gonna put them in there. Put that in there and some juice of the chicken from here. I'm also gonna use chicken broth. I never put this in my food, but I've seen recipes where they put this in, so I'm not gonna put too much. This is not. All right. I think the water is boiling for the rice now. Let me taste the water and then put the rice. Let that cook. It smells so good. Okay, let me taste. Take this out. Okay. Tastes good. But I wanted more of the Maggi. And I don't think I have it anymore. This one is old. Nope, I do not have any more. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess it's fine like that. Let me see if there's any in here. Let me actually put a little seasoned salt and where is it? The Creole seasoning. Gotta put a little bit more flavor in adobe, I guess, without pepper. You put a little bit of that. A little seasoned salt. I put too much of that and some Creole seasoning. There's gonna be flavor in the what is it called? The string beans. But let me do the rice. Right here. I got this little gadget from Shein. I think it was like $1 or less. But it's great. Look at this. Let me pour this rice real quick. I'll rinse it out. Let me know if you guys like this angle or the other angle where I'm just cooking and have the camera at just one spot and not moving it around. I'm just rinsing out the rice right now. And I have to finish the beans. I'm almost done with them. This smells so good. Let me put some more of the chicken broth. Put it to the side. gonna get some of the sauce from the chicken to put in here. Okay, this looks so good. Let me put some more rice. I don't care how clean a rice looks, I'm always gonna rinse it out. Okay. I just wanted to mix it so it's not sticking to the bottom. All right. Let me finish these beans so I can put them with the rest before the others cook all the way. This one is skinny. These are fine. It smells so good. I learned to cook on YouTube, you guys. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos. I watched what I wanted to cook, got the ingredients, and I perfected it with my own little tweaks. And I cook. Ain't nothing wrong with wherever how you learn how to cook, as long as you learn how to cook. Especially with all these kids, you gotta learn how to cook when you have kids. You just got to. I guess I'll get that one. I'm almost done. These are so skinny right here. I'm not putting those. Yeah. Okay, I am done. Just gotta let this cook. I should have taken the chicken out and then put it when the beans were cooked, but I guess that's fine. So good. My gosh. Sorry, I like hitting it. Just gotta let that cook. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the chicken out of this and then put some of that water, the chicken broth in it. I'm gonna use this other chicken for something else tomorrow. Hold on, Isabella. Okay. I'm gonna put some chicken broth in this. I'm gonna use this and put it in the beans. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook. Let me put a little bit more. It's on low heat. I'm gonna let that cook. Oops. And the rice is already wasn't paying attention. I didn't even taste it a second time when I put everything else in there. It's alright. Let me put aluminum foil on it so it can cook better. Put it on low heat. It's already on low. I'm gonna let those two cook and I'll come back and show you guys the results. You guys, the kids actually want me to fry the rest of the chicken. So I took the deep fryer out and I'm waiting for it to get hot. I put some seasoning in this. I put seasoning salt, black pepper, and adobe in the string beans mixture because I tasted it off camera and it was okay, but I needed a little bit more flavor. So I put that in there. And the beans just have to cook. They're getting there, but it's getting there. It's almost done, I mean. We just got a little bit of it. Let that cook. I'm gonna show you guys some of it. That looks good. And let me get a little bit of rice. It's not cooked all the way. It's not ready. Almost ready. Maybe I'll get a little bit from it. You know I gotta cook while I'm eating. I always gotta taste it. There you go. I probably should make sauce with that. You know what? Let me just make the sauce. Just make sauce with this. Just a little sauce. Okay. I have this. Let me put the rice in the bag. Let me get the thing. Let me taste this. The beans are good. It's a nice flavor. Okay. This is for the sauce. Not too much. This is not ready yet. Sorry, this is so good. I need this. I need this. And a bowl. Is this ready yet? No. This and this. Let me get another spoon. You guys see it right here? Okay. Not too much left. Right. Oh, hold on. Before I put that, I put my ippies. Telling you that ippies taste good in everything. Not too much. I thought it was hot already. It was on low. Okay. Let it fry for a little bit. Okay, this is ready now. I'm gonna put that in there. Put this away. I made some iced tea, you guys. Just get the iced tea mix because especially when you have all these kids, just buy the mix and then just make as much juice as you want. Cause buying all them gallons of juice, 64-ounce juice, that doesn't even last a day. Just buy the mix and just make your juice in the pitcher. I'm always eating before the kids. All right. Okay. This is good. Not too much tomato paste. The chicken is so good. Okay. Let me rinse out the spoon so I can mix the string beans. This is like the only way the kids will eat their vegetables if I mix it with something. Do that, or that. And let that boil. Let me know if you guys like this angle, okay? Let me know down in the comments down below. To my lovely subscribers. I'm at 330 subscribers, by the way, you guys. I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. Chicken is almost done. I think it's good like this, actually. I don't want to fry it too much. Is this an onion? Just have a little crisp on it. Crispiness. Let me show you. Just fried it a little. Looks really good. I don't know if it looks good on camera too, but this looks good. Just gonna put it in here. Turn this off. Let this boil. Oops. You don't have any Maggi, so I gotta put this. the chicken bouillon. I like the Maggi taste more than this one, but it's okay. You'll see these beans. These beans are almost done. There's a lot of chicken in this too. Let me show you. Just made this. I'm telling you, that chicken is good. I think the rice is good. Turn it off for the rice. Got some chicken in here. Let me taste this. Tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna put no onions or peppers because the kids don't really like that in the sauce. I was gonna put lemon, but I don't even think I have lemon left. No, the lime. Green lemon. Oh well, it's still good. Just a little sauce. The chicken flavor, the chicken juice already had flavor in it, so it made it pop out in the sauce basically. I think it's good. Let me show you guys. Can't really see it. Just a little sauce to drizzle on the, I think American call it gravy or something. Just to drizzle on the rice or your food when you're eating. Okay, that's it. This is almost done, or it is done. Let me taste the string beans again. With some chicken. And the little rice. And the little sauce so you guys can see. Let me get a spoon. I'm gonna taste the string beans first to make sure they're cooked. They're good. It's not too crunchy. It's soft enough. So let me show you guys. Okay, you guys, this is dinner. Sorry for the mess with the oven. The stove is a mess. The rice, some sauce, string beans, chicken, and carrots, and some fried chicken. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please like, comment down below what you liked about our dinner this evening. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.